Originally constructed in the early 1990s, this two-bedroom apartment had remained largely untouched and was in dire need of an upgrade. Although designed as a two-bedroom unit, the second bedroom was being used as a home office. The architect reimagined the space to enhance functionality by incorporating a study zone into an underutilized corridor, thereby reclaiming the second bedroom for its intended purpose. The original layout failed to take advantage of the surrounding gardens. To address this, the architect reoriented the living space to overlook the gardens, allowing natural light to flood in and establishing a stronger connection to the outdoors. A carefully planned layout maximized floor space by integrating the kitchen, laundry, and bathroom into a cohesive, minimalist joinery unit. A second joinery element was introduced opposite this space, creating a dedicated home office with additional storage. Light played a pivotal role in material selection. As a south-facing apartment prone to darkness, the design embraced a bright color palette featuring white stone, light gray joinery, and oak flooring to introduce much-needed natural brightness. Mirrors were strategically placed in the kitchen and bathroom to amplify the available light and create the illusion of a larger, more open space. This thoughtful renovation transformed the apartment into a modern, functional, and luminous home.